everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I did this bow hijab. So let's get on to the video. First you have to take your hijab like this. One part will be long and the other will be a little shorter. Now we'll tie these two like this. It will be like that. Then for the bow part, you will take this long part like that. It looks like a little bow, half of the bow. Now for the other half, do like that and take it under the bow. Now let's pin it here. You have to pin it in here. This is the pin I'm taking. Pin in here as well. I will take this brooch and pin it in here. Here you have a bow tie hijab. And this short part you can do it like this and take a pin and pin it there. This is what it looks like. This is how you do a bow tie hijab. Let me know how do you think about this hijab tutorial, and subscribe to my channel, like my videos if you enjoyed it, and comment down below what video should I do next. And thanks for watching. Ta-da!